Deutsche Bank made a very bold statement. The German bank published a research report called Imagine 2030. In this report, the bank says that cryptocurrencies are currently just additions to the current money payment system. However, in the next decade, they could be replacements. Welcome back to our channel, Fortune Focus, and today, we're going to take a look at the future of cryptocurrency. Deutsche Bank predicts that the number of cryptocurrency users will grow 4 times in the next 10 years, reaching 200 million. This growth is almost the same as that of the internet in its first 20 years. Is cryptocurrency the future of money? The parallels between the internet and crypto are stunning. The internet was publicly funded and primarily used in an academic setting. But enlightened policymakers decided to legalize commercial activity on the internet. While the internet's commercial use started with most people and businesses not knowing how to connect or use the internet, the rails were put in place that would eventually change the future of everything. The breakout years of simplified usage and huge user growth are not far away. The talent is abundant, the capital is here, and the conditions like economic inclusion and freedom are ripe. How will governments approach cryptocurrencies? But for all this to happen, there is one big uncertain X factor. How will governments approach cryptocurrencies? For Deutsche Bank's prediction to come true, we need enlightened policymakers that will legitimize cryptocurrencies. The report states, first, they must become legitimate in the eyes of governments and regulators. Very true. Crypto regulation could be just around the corner. As regulatory hurdles are surmounted, cryptocurrencies may become legitimate substitutes for fiat currency. Many governments will not sit by and lose control of the money supply without a vicious fight. What's even more remarkable about the report is a section that's entitled The End of Fiat Money. That's pretty wild, when you consider that this report comes from a huge global bank. What people in the cryptocurrency community have known for a while, banks are starting to realize now. But that's good news. Will cash eventually go digital? The real victim of crypto may not be fiat, but plastic cards. For decades now, we've been slowly phasing out cash. Cash, credit, and debit cards are slowly becoming obsolete and may continue on this course as crypto acceptance increases. When you think about the evolution, we move from paper money and coins to online transactions and debit or credit cards. The rise of mobile payments through PayPal already makes plastic cards redundant. Blockchain offers plenty of advantages over plastic cards, but the basic difference between the two is that all payments and transfers are done with the user's full consent. Deutsche Bank believes that plastic cards could die. As cryptocurrency adoption increases, it's only logical to assume that credit cards will disappear. We simply won't need them anymore. What are the advantages of Bitcoin over existing currencies? According to its supporters, Bitcoin has 2 advantages over existing currencies. The first is that its supply is limited, making it impossible for a central authority to issue it in quantities that would devalue it. This means it is much less vulnerable to hyperinflation crises, such as those seen in Weimar Germany, Zimbabwe, or Venezuela. But a limited supply can also be a weakness, as it makes it impossible to control deflation, a phenomenon that can also lead to very severe economic consequences. The second claimed advantage of Bitcoin is that all transactions are permanent and immutable. When money is held in a bank account, that bank could theoretically expropriate the money from its user and claim that it never existed. With Bitcoin, this is impossible, because the database on which transactions are recorded cannot be edited by any central authority. Bitcoin is thus often described as trustless, because it does not require its holder to trust a financial institution not to expropriate it. Conclusion: crypto can be both good and evil, like everything else in life. Many people fail to understand the real value of cryptocurrency because they're only focused on speculative trading, driven by price and volatility. Crypto offers a unique solution that renders fiat currency obsolete. Cryptocurrency empowers people to be their own bank and payment method. The primary challenges are regulatory and technical. The deciding factor on whether crypto will replace cash is user adoption. But once fully booted and integrated in our lives, cryptocurrency will make the world look completely different in ways we can only begin to understand. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. What do you think about the future of cryptocurrency? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.